family and friends. It's June 18, my birthday,
Woo.
and I'm so pumped. So pumped because my beloved husband, as a gift to me to encourage me and bless me, brought my daughter down to spend my birth week with me, and her awesome husband is taking care of the kids on Father's Day so that she could come and be with me. I just want to give a shout out there. Mm-hmm. There is a song we want to share with you. This is a song that Tom discovered and shared with me, and I love it. It's called Wonder, and the reason I love it is because these days, these are troubled times that we live in, but we have choices about the way we're going to see what is going on all around us. And this song talks about putting everything in the frame of God's goodness, and He's a sovereign, He's large and in charge, and everything is under control. And we can walk in a way that sees life coming out of brokenness. And that's how I live every day. And I just want to bless you with this song with my daughter.
Have you ever seen the wonder in the glimmer of first sight? As the eyes begin to open and the blindness meets the light. If you have some say, I see the world in light, I see the world in wonder, I see the world in light, bursting in living color. I see the world your way, and I'm walking in the light. Have you ever seen the wonder in the air of second light? Having come out of the waters with the old one left behind. If you have so say, I see the world in light, I see the world in wonder, I see the world in light, bursting in living color. I see the world your way, and I'm walking